I'll just make sure. Disclaimer somewhere. There it is. All right, the record button did go finally. You're in the Echotraders room. My name is Dale Elliott, and a nice trade here that we're looking at is on the CL market this morning. We're trading this set of fibs on the far left-hand side in the yellow ellipse, and the money off to the upside was here at 3017. Now, numerous other trades in here this morning, but on CL, what we're looking for is this here blue line, and I'll highlight the blue line I'm talking about. So the blue line has some black dots on it. We're looking at that line to hold as resistance, and our target confluence areas down here are 2925 and 2926 from the far side. And if this here trade continues, because it is at a support area, when you look left, you have to realize that 2965 in black must also become resistance, and the market's having a little trouble with that. So larger targets to the downside are 2910, 29.06, and let's do one more if the market's ready to go. We'll see if we can get down here to 2887 today. That's what we're aiming for. We have moving average alignment in our favor. We just have to break down through a couple more barriers. So we'll come back and keep you posted. Hopefully we're a little farther along when we come back. So. Okay, here we are. It is now 11:39 a.m. Tuesday morning, February the 9th, 2016. This trade took its time, but is going in the right direction. We added resistance text on there, and we beefed up the shaded area right up in here where this here text is. So your last chart would have showed a little pullback to the upside, and then a pullback to the downside, and then another one to the upside. So this here trade is going in the right direction. As we had mentioned, it does have some barriers to break through to the downside, and the next barrier that we're looking to break is 29.30. So we'll see if we can get that, and then we'll be coming into our money off targets for part of your position off to the downside. And we already showed you the targets, I believe, to the downside. So we'll see if we can hang on to a winning trade short on CL on this Tuesday. All right, so this year's a very profitable trade. Now we have money off here. That is a confluence target area. If you have more than one contract, if that you should take part of that positioning off at targets. If you only have one contract, we suggest you trade it in a different procedure, and that is lock it in and manage it. Instead of removing yourself from the market entirely, is to manage that winning trade to the best of your abilities, and that way you're trading as much as you can in the right direction. Now, you still must use stops, and that's extremely important. And you've heard the saying before, let the market take you out. instead of you mentally taking yourself out of the picture. Let the market pull back, and your management skills will get better. So this is very nice. Our next target we had mentioned down here, of course, we know that it should hesitate here at, I'll put the crosshairs on here, at 29.06. Right there. And that's exactly what it's doing. Now our next target down, if you can hold on to a winning trade that far, is 28.87. Now I'll try to get the crosshairs on that one. There we go. But it'll be one step at a time. Momentum to the downside, divergence of your moving averages increasing. We should be able to get the target, but it'll be one step forward or two steps forward and one back, as usual. So we've added our target areas. We put it is a confluence target area 29.06, which has been reached and is being in the process of testing and retesting. And you simply have to lock in some money. We'd also like to see 28.87 and beyond, so maybe 81 thereabouts or 80. The market likes nice round numbers. See how much we can hang on to. The price action candle highlighted in that yellow price tag on the right hand side is real time. It's your real time price action candle. Okay, there you have it. Target reached, and we're looking for a little beyond that. Good divergence here. Try to manage that a little more. But remember, this is a caution area to take money. So this year market, we had mentioned we wanted to see 28.81. It has come to 28.82 twice now, and it looks like it may tap the one. Would be a pincher bottom right now. If we hit the one, it's 6 ticks beyond, and we'll look for a retest of upper targets. The shaded box, which would the number will come in 29.06. We'll see if we get that. That would be too much to give back. That's 13 ticks from here to give back $130. It's always your choice, of course. Till next time, trade well, my friends, in hopes of keeping our video short. We're going to stop now that the market has reached the target. The video is complete, And we may show one little snapshot after this. So my name is Dale Elliott. Catch you later.